Howdy folks, welcome to Monday's Home. Today we're going to go out do some squirrel hunting, and I'm going to be taking out my 22 caliber air gun, and this will be the third day I've gone. I went yesterday. Dang, that's not good. I went yesterday, the day before, and shot it a couple the first day, and then yesterday I crippled one. I didn't get him, and then today that's what awaits. So we're gonna head out and see what we can do, y'all. Okay, so this is the gun of choose. The gun of choice. Same thing I'm always shooting. 22 caliber crossman. So, yeah. And there's always squirrels in here, as long as I can see them. But I'll get y'all back on my head and we'll see if we can get them. Okay, y'all, and I do have the dog out today. I didn't put him in the lot, so maybe he'll help us, maybe he'll hurt us. We'll see. He's gonna beat me to the spot, I know that. We'll see if the tree's on. Oh, there he is. He's still sitting there too. I'll let y'all know if I get a shot on him again. It's not the squirrel, but there was a starling. I hit just beside it. Oh well, we'll get him later. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there's still one sitting there. Yep. Let's see if we can get this squirrel. Okay, I got a really good shot. If I can get to this truck and get set up on it, I should be able to get him. If he doesn't run. That glass is busted. I'm gonna move over and see if I can get a better rest. I gotta shoot to a lot of them to make this work. He's starting to move a little bit. Oh. It sounded like I hit him, but that's a 40-yard shot. If I hit him, I gotta hit him. Just about perfect to be able to get him. I got another shot at him. Like I say, this is a really far shot, so I would have to hit him really good to get him. I'm gonna see if I can get a better shot. Oh, that sucks. Got all the pokey things in me. I'm trying to get a good shot. Oh, here he comes. He's running. Look at the dogs on him. trailer so he didn't see me moving so much. See if I can get closer. Yeah, well, I got closer. There's a good shot on it. Oh, man. There's one limb. Oh, bro. How did I miss? I don't get it. The dog's over there. If the dog moves, he'll move over here. But I need the dog to move him. But the dog's not moving. Well, I don't know if I get another shot. Am I filming? Yeah. Oh, I hit him, I got him. I hit him in the head. Almost hit him in the nose or something. Because he's grabbing at his face. You telling me I didn't get him on that one? Bro, it couldn't be any better of a shot. Right here. Bro, I suck. Am I filming? I better be filming. Yeah, I mean, he's giving me a perfect shot. I got him in. Okay. I'm gonna give him 10 seconds. There he goes. Like I said, give him 10 seconds. Oh, shoot. Dog, get him. Oh my gosh, he's still alive. There he goes. He got on him. Where'd he go? Oh my goodness. He got back up the tree. Bro. Where did he go? I know he's gotta be looking at it. Unless he has a treat over there. Where the frick did he go? Oh no. You telling me that he got in that hole? Oh, bro. I need my pocket knife. It's about to get rowdy, y'all. Oh, frick, I missed. Oh, frick. I don't know if I got it. not have a good looking squirrel. There goes my gun. Whew, got it. I hit him. I didn't hit him to go on a shot, but here we go. That knife helped. Let's get him out. Oh. He's dead. Is he dead? There we go. There you go. Oh, we got it. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Your pocket knife helped a lot. That's what I said. Like I said, I thought I hit him maybe in the nose or something. He was grabbing his face. I hit him right there. There you go. 3 days of hunting. Finally got one. But let's go see if we can get some more, y'all. That was cool. Scary. It almost. We got the roar though, doggo. Hey, good your boy. Good your boy. Good dog. Good dog. So that's a squirrel, and I'm gonna gut him real quick and give the dog a treat. Okay, so I can't show y'all the gut part. But I mean, I can kinda, but I can't show the squirrel. I'm just gonna go up. It's the first time I'll be ever using this knife skinning something. It's crazy to say that I killed something with it before I got to skin something with it. Okay, so that's the intestines. Here you go, buddy. Good dog. There you go. Okay, so the last shot when he ran up in the tree and I had to take him out with the gun and knife, that was a one long shot. But I don't know, I'm not good shooting stuff in trees with that gun. I don't know why, but it's something different between target shooting and... No, I got double long on top of the heart. But it's something about shooting. I don't know how to shoot elevation, I should say. I don't know how to do that. And I don't really have a scope that's made for that. Mine just a regular crosshair scope, so I don't know, but I'm gonna clean my hands off and we're gonna try to get us some more. Okay, well, I want to make sure my camera's on for this one because I don't get too many chances at rabbits every year. And maybe I kill about 10 or so each year. But I'm gonna walk through this and just do a little push. I can get one up. I did it the other day and I jumped one up. In the night there's always rabbits out there on that path and just around in this area. Unless he has a squirrel treat right there. The dog has something treed. But that's the thing, sometimes he trees birds. Well, he doesn't tree them, he'll watch them. And he'll follow them around like he's treed. I don't know, I'll do this and I'll go over there. Rabbit pushes is the one thing I've just really gotten into this year. I've started doing. Killed more rabbits already than I normally did. Well, last year. I keep forgetting it's 2023. Most of the time I walked through and seen them sitting there and shot them. What I've always done. Last time one got up right here somewhere. I expect there's one over here somewhere. But there is dens right there, so might just be on them holes too. But I'll let you know if we get one up. The dog really thinks there's something up there. He was barking and everything. We'll shoot off there and see what moves. Nothing. Ain't nothing there. What I expect. This is what I'm talking about with this dog. I see he's treeing on that tree now. He obviously smells or sees something, but I just ain't figured out what it is yet. He trees and he looks right at me. One thing I noticed, if I don't have a gun on me, he doesn't pay attention to me. What tree is it? Oh. That's a squirrel. It's been a red-tailed squirrel. I've been after. Oh, here he is, y'all. The dog has him treed. He's in that tree. So let's see if we can get him. Oh, man. There goes that one. That's where it's at. I've been looking for that for years. For 2 or 3 years now. I've been trying to find the den on that tree. And I don't know why I haven't spotted it. It's right there. Shoot. I don't know how I missed him right there, but I did. Dang. Oh well, all we can do is... Well... we're gonna try to get up a rabbit, but that'll be about it for this video. Well, hope you liked today's video, and if we jump up a rabbit, there'll be more of this video. But if not, hope you liked today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. I just fell through this trailer. How did I know that was gonna happen? Trying to get on a rabbit. Well, it's got 5 briars in my hand. We're trying. I got the briar, man. And now we're ready to... Whew, I'm glad that was stable. Now we're ready to go in there. I'm trying. And one more thing, y'all. Don't forget to go check out my merch. First link down in the description. And we got hats, hoodies, stickers, all types of stuff. So go check it out.